In terms of dental treatments, dental crowns are among of the most commonly used procedures that dentists perform. Dental crowns are an artificial cap placed on a decayed or damaged tooth in order to improve its form, size, as well as strength. It also improves the appearance of the tooth. But how much do dental crowns cost? Dental crowns costs will vary based on a variety of aspects, including the type of material employed, the place of the dental office, as well as the experience that the dental professional has. The United States, the cost of a dental crown could vary from $500 up to $3,000 for a crown. The wide variation in price is a result of being aware that there exist various types of dental crowns that are available, and each has its specific price points. One of the most common types of dental crowns is a porcelain fused to metal crown. They are constructed from the combination of metal and porcelain, making them strong and attractive. The cost of a porcelain fused to metal crown can range from $500 to $1,500 per crown. Although these crowns can be cheaper than the other kinds of crowns, they're less durable and could require replacement often. A different type of dental crown is the all-ceramic crown. They are constructed completely of ceramic and have an appearance that is more natural as opposed to other kinds of crowns. Ceramic crowns made of all-ceramic material are more biocompatible, which makes them an ideal choice for those who suffer from metal allergies. Costs for an all-ceramic crown could range between $800 and $3,000 for a crown, which makes them among the most costly options to choose from. Alongside the kind of material employed, place of the dental office will also impact the price for dental crowns. Dental practices in major cities or affluent neighborhoods may charge higher prices for dental crowns due to higher overhead costs. However, those in rural and less wealthy regions may offer lower costs on dental crowns. Finally, the experience of a dentist may affect the price for dental crowns. Dental professionals with greater experience or have specialized education may have higher rates for crowns that are dental than those with less experience. But it's crucial to keep in mind that the experience of the dentist is essential to ensure the longevity and success of the crown. The cost of dental crowns may vary substantially based on the kind of material employed and the place of the dental office, as well as the experience that the dental professional has. Although dental crowns can appear costly, they're an investment worth it for the appearance and health of your mouth. It's important to speak with your dentist about the most appropriate type of crown to meet your needs as well as budget. Be aware that taking proper care of your dental well-being now will help prevent expensive and costly treatments in the near and the future.